through an escape room, and we have it back, and I think it's for good. So yeah. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be doing testing out clear clays, and guys, I cannot tell you why. I can't tell you about a month. I have been looking for these for like about a month. You guys have been commenting them like crazy, telling me that I should try out the clear clay, and I have been trying to look everywhere, and I cannot find it, not even online, but I finally found it at Michael's, and now I'm gonna try them out, and I got all of them. So let's do this. I am super duper excited because I really want to try these because they're so cool. And let's get straight on into the video. What? Yeah! Alright guys, so what should we do first? We have all these, a good selection. We got blue clear clay, we got wood clay brick, and then we have clear clay, a wood clay olive, wood clay black, wood clay natural, and yeah, that is it. So what should we do first? I am gonna have to do the clear clay. We're gonna do a basic clear clay, so let's do that. So is this gonna make like a clear butter slime, guys? Okay, so here it is. It feels pretty interesting, so let's open it. Here goes Ameerah with her terrible opening skills. All right, what is this, putty? Feels like putty. Oh, whoa, is this stretchy? Look at that, oh my gosh. Okay, let's stretch it, let's see how it is. Okay, just put that back together. Okay, let's stretch it. I'm gonna try and stretch it a little bit slowly here. Okay, well, it kind of feels like the putty, you know, that you get from like putties, you know? But this one's like stretchier. All right, so let's go ahead and add it to our clear slime and see what happens. Here's my clear slime. Look at how satisfying. Then we put our clear clay. I wish I wouldn't have put fingerprints all over it. And then let's put a little bit of sparkles just to spice it up because I don't know, I want to. All right, 1, 2, wait! Like, good job, share, subscribe, press the like button, and subscribe button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Were you able to do it? Let's keep going to this. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. I cannot wait for this to be done. It's gonna be a clear butter slime, guys. Doesn't seem like it's fogging up too much, I think. The last time I did mixing putties with slime, which this kind of has the same texture, it really like completely fogged up. Got super foggy, and then I left it for a while and it got even worse. So I wonder if this one's gonna do the same thing. It kind of seems like it's doing it, but it also seems like it has a lot of bubbles. All right, this definitely got foggy, guys. This definitely is like the same texture as the other one I did. Okay, well, it didn't really make a clear butter slime. It's kind of like a foggy butter slime, but it's not really a butter slime. It's kind of like a foggy, fluffy slime. But this is kind of maybe like a non-deflating, fluffy slime. So that's pretty cool, I think. But this is really, really cool. You guys should definitely try it out because like it's super satisfying to look at. But it does make your slime foggy, so be careful. Alright, next clay, guys. Alright, guys, so the clear clay does that. Maybe the wood clay is different since it's wood clay, not clear clay, so let's see. But the blue clay also seems pretty interesting, you know, maybe that will do something different. I'm gonna go with the wood clay for now. Okay, what should we do? Brick, olive, black, or natural? I think brick. That seems kind of cool. Oh, wow, this is a lot softer than the clear clay. Okay, what the heck? What? What is this? This is so weird. Okay, it feels really cool though. Reminds me of my sawdust slime. All right, well this is super duper sticky, but hopefully it becomes like not sticky once I add the slime, because sometimes that happens, so we'll see, guys. Alrighty, so we have my clear slime here. How much should we put? Should we put half of it or all of it? Because like I'm gonna put half and then I'm gonna put the rest after because I want to see how it will do. So let's put that on there and let's do this. Hopefully this mixes well. This part of the slime is kind of a little bit more activated, so maybe combined they'll be really good. All right, well this clay wasn't really clear in general, so that definitely wasn't any different than the other slime, but it does have a really awesome texture, and it is a lot more spreadable, so it's kind of like a clear butter slime. All right, well that's what it turned into. Pretty cool, got a real cool texture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the clear slime to see what will happen. Okay. All right, well that's what happened. It got less sticky and it's kind of, I think, more stretchy. Okay, Okay, well this was really cool, but I think I like the clear clays better because it just like looks cooler to me and it's like less weird and random. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, what should we do next? I have no idea because we have wood clay and clear clay. So what should we do? I feel like we should do another wood clay and then we're gonna do the clear clay. So let's do natural clear clay. Alright guys, let's open this up. I am so excited. Do you think this one's gonna have a different texture? It's natural. I should put the slime before. Okay, I think I liked less slime. What am I doing? Okay, there. Alrighty, and this one, I'm gonna put some food coloring because this one is natural, so let's see. Alright, so here it is. It's so sticky. Alrighty, let's add some more. What? It's weird because there's like slime on the bottom of this. Alrighty, let's mix this. Let's see what happens. That was a lot more satisfying to put the wood clay on top than on the bottom. Alrighty, let's see. I think it's like the same color still. You know what, I'm gonna put some blue in it to try and make it purple. Oh gosh, now it just turned black. I already have a black clay. Alright, well here is how it turned out. Oh wow, that's super bubbly. Let's make a lot of bubbles. Let's see how that does. I think I'm done now. We got a very inflated slime now. Okay, well there wasn't very much crackle-wackles, but it did inflate a lot. So yeah. Okay, let me see if I can make a bubble with this. That made the coolest bubble ever. Alright guys, so my idea is to make a strawberry. Okay, so I'm gonna make it pink. So let's mix that in. Alright, so that's my strawberry. And then for the strawberry seeds, I'm gonna put a little bit of wood clay because they look exactly like strawberry seeds. So let's see how that turns out. And ta-da! It's strawberry jam slime. You guys like it? I think it's pretty cool. Alright, that was just like a little bonus feature. Of course, there will be a bonus at the end too, so make sure you keep watching. Anyways, let's get on to the next one. Alrighty guys, what should I do next? I think I will do clear clay, so let's do this. Okay, we have the blue one this time. I am excited for that because it's blue. Are there any other colors? Because I got all of them. I tried to get all of them. Yeah, so you guys comment down below if there's any other colors that I missed. I did get a giant one, I thought, but I can't find it. So, yeah. All right, so for this one, I'm thinking I'm going to put golden pigment on it. Just on top. This is gonna look so cute. Should I spread it with my finger or the spoon? All right, this looks amazing. Should I put more? I feel like I should keep it like this. What do you think, Paul?
I think it looks amazing.
I think it looks good like this. All right, let's do this. Oh no, it broke. That was so unsatisfying. There. This clay is thick. This one seems a little bit harder than the last. I feel like the blue one is like even firmer. It's not mixing. What the heck? All right, let's just keep mixing. Ooh, I love that it has like a tiny bit of a gold shift to it. Looks so cool. Okay, well this clay is sticking to my hands like crazy. It's still kind of clear right now, but it's starting to get foggy again. This is so weird. Okay, let's continue. All right, well this is what it turned into with it kind of like completely almost kneaded in. Now let's make a swirl of it. It's pretty firm like this, but I think once you start kind of like kneading it and like flipping it and doing swirls, it starts to get really puffy. So I'm gonna try and do that. We'll test my theory. All right guys, you wanna see some of my sick slime flippings? You guys comment down below, my slime flipping is so sick. All right, let's do the swirl. Here it is. Oh, yes. Ow, I stabbed myself in the hand with my nail. All right, well now it is all poofy. It's less poofy than the last one. I think this one has more, I put more clear slime in it. So I feel like it's a bit fluffier and puffier. Versus this one has more clay in it. So it's a bit more like weird. It's less fluffy and less stretchy, so yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, I know this is Slimeatory 500, but since it got stolen and, you know, all that stuff happened, we had to delay it a little bit. So we are gonna be doing 500. It's gonna be a very, very big thing, and I hope you guys like it. So you just wait. Listen to this crunch. Alrighty, let's get on to the next one. Alright, guys, so we have these ones next, olive and black wood clay. I think I will do black. I want to see how that looks. Alright, guys, to spice this up a little bit, I decided to put the slime inside this container. I thought it looked cool, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, I don't like these packets, to be completely honest. Alright, well, here it is. Gosh, this is like the worst one. I don't like this. Oh, that smells like like that. All right, let's put this into there. Okay, I'm gonna clean my hands really quick and I will get back to you guys. All right, guys, I cleaned up my hands the most I could, and let's go ahead and do this. This container makes so much noise. This was supposed to be satisfying. Okay, how about let's just take this out. It was satisfying for a little bit if you just turn your volume all the way down. Okay. Maybe this will turn out really cool. All right, well, this looks like street tar or like dirt, soil. Just reminds me of the street like a lot. But it is super duper crunchy and I really love that. This is interesting, guys. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen, I think. Whoa! Oh no, it almost did it. Well, I mean, it did do it, just for a little bit. All right, guys, so this is the bonus round. Don't leave just yet. We are gonna do something special. We're gonna do white slime. This is my secret recipe, glossy slime. I'll do a little bit of ASMR for you guys. What is that? Ugh. All right, guys, look at how glossy this is. I want you guys to try and guess what ingredients I have in this slime. Comment it and then see if you're right. Oh, I'm putting so much of the weird clays in here. All right, guys, are you ready to hear what I did to this slime? I put glue. I put white Amazon Prime glue, Amazon basic glue. But I did do something special, guys. I whipped it in a machine until it got fluffy, super duper fluffy, and then I activated it, and then I put it inside this container, and I let it clear up, and that's how it got like this. I have a conspiracy theory that whipping it makes it glossy. So I don't know if it's true, but it seems like it, so yeah. I have this clay, this is olive wood clay, and let's do this. I'm excited because I feel like this one will work a little bit better with like white slime. I don't know, I just think it will do better. This kind of reminds me of like Flown. You know, this would be really cool if it wasn't so sticky, like adds like a cool little putty, but yeah. Alrighty, I am so excited to mix it with the white glue because I haven't mixed it with the white glue, so yeah. Okay, I tried to get the most out of the packet. So yeah, all right, let's do this. Ready, guys? All right, guys, here it is. Super crunchy. Looks really weird, but it kind of looks like guacamole ranch or something like that. Like avocado ranch. Or like avocado toast, I guess. I don't know, I've never really had avocado toast, but I feel like this is what it looks like. Definitely sticky, so I'm gonna try and add a little bit more slime to that. See if I can fix that with more slime. All right, let's see if we can get some good bubbles out of this though. Let's mix that. Yeah, I feel like this does better in like white slime, so I just keep it in the white slime, but I definitely like the clear clay better. All right, guys, now we're gonna do clear clay. This is just a completely clear one, so let's do it. Yay, 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 yay. All right, I wanna try and pop this, so let's see if it happens. Come on, I can do it. Okay, well, I think that's all I can do. That wasn't as satisfying as I expected, but you don't always get what we want. That's all I could think of. Okay, all right, we got the clear clay, guys, finally. Let's mix this up. Okay, this is interesting so far. It looks cool. Oh, that looks so cool. I just like unwrapped it, guys. Okay, let's keep mixing it. Okay, this seems like it's going pretty good. I feel like this is going better than the clear slime. Like it's mixing way better. Alrighty, I think I'm almost done mixing it. Here's my swirl. It's super stiff. Okay, well, it's definitely more spreadable than the clear one. Let's mix it again. I want to try and mix it even more so that maybe it will be better. Alrighty, let's do a swirl now. Alright, is it gonna stay together or is it gonna be weird like last time? Okay, it's staying together. Alright, let's try and do a bubble. Oh, that was sad. Okay. Ta-da! I did it! Okay, let's see how crunchy it is. Oh, that wasn't very crunchy. Okay, we'll try that again. Let's see, maybe it was just me. Alright, well, I guess that's it. It kind of made like a very thick, glossy slime. I'm gonna go ahead and put some food coloring into this. I'm gonna make it this green. Whoopsies. Let's see if that does anything. You know what this reminds me a lot of? Candles. What is going on here? It's like not even stretching anymore. Anyways, as I was saying, this reminds me a lot of candle slime. So if you don't have any clear clay anywhere or you can't find it at all and you want to see the texture, just get some candles, melt it. Be careful because it's hot. Melt it and then put it in your slime and that's almost the texture of this. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down, leave some part 2, and that is it. Love you so much and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!